Alright, I got my roof and flashing polyurethane and dish soap. And on this truck, we're just trying to get it through inspection. We're not trying to do like a whole lot of bodywork and make it look good and all that. So it's all handyman materials, and I just want to get it done quick and get the truck through inspection so we can move on. It's a little worse than I thought here. There's a big hole in here. Now, we might have to come back and redo that hole. Alright, once I get some on there, I'll go to the dish liquid. That goes on my hand, so the polyurethane don't stick to me. And we'll just form that to the truck. Now, my polyurethane's black here. If you had a truck that's red or something, I'm going to imagine you can let this all dry and then give it a coat of paint. And again, this is purely for inspection. I don't expect it to look good and really don't care if it looks good, but this is way simpler and faster than mixing body filler and patching it up. Then you can also use a putty knife to form that in there. I'll push that into that hole a little more. And if you can't get it with one coat, you can let this dry for a couple days and come back and hit it again. And the polyurethane dries. It's like a gasket material, so it's always flexible. It never hardens up. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I'm gonna guess that the polyurethane will last a long time, and the truck will rot around it and eventually it'll blow out. Overall, it's pretty good. I know my lighting's not the best here, but you get the point. Polyurethane, dish soap, and smooth that in with your finger or a putty knife. Alright, I'll probably come back and smooth that a little bit later on when I'm off camera. But generally it is nice. So I have another area down here. We'll go ahead and do that over here. You see in here, it's pretty red. Yeah, mainly with inspection, they want to see no sharp edges. So we're trying to get rid of all the sharp edges on there. And the polyurethane is pretty thick. And if you have an older tube, it's a little bit thicker, and you should probably use a putty knife with that. Alright, not too bad. You can see in a matter of, say, a half hour, I could probably have it ready to go. Without doing any kind of sanding or anything. Even though it may not look great, but even if you do body filler and you don't really take your time and do kind of a professional job sanding it, it looks like crap anyway, so this doesn't look any worse than that. Okay, there we go. I'm happy with that for now. I think that'll get us my inspection without any sharp edges or anything. And I'll smooth this out later on when I'm off camera a little bit better. I'll take my time and add a little more in there, but I wanted to show you the general idea of, patching it up quickly without, a lot of hassle or anything. Thanks for watching. Oh, we're back here. Now, right here, this is a pretty big hole in here, and I'm trying to fill that in. Now, I hit this one time, and I gotta come back to it and fill it in some more. And hopefully not run out of caulking, and I did. Alright, let me get some more caulking and then try it again. Alright, let's try it again. Hopefully this is the final time. I won't have to come back and do it again. But I might, because it's not looking like it wants to stay in there. Don't be surprised if that falls out. It's looking like it wants to. Okay, more dishwashing liquid. Yeah, we might get away with that. I'm not going to put any more in there because it's kind of like sagging like it wants to come on anyway. Alright, well, I'm going to leave it at that. There it goes. That's a pretty big hole there.